Okay, here's the 1996 200SX with the GTIR motor swap, big turbo, on sale at Craigslist right now, currently. Just a quick walk around the car. On the inside, currently I have the Sparco Evo XL seat. As you can see, there's the touchscreen DVD player with the SAFC controller. Sorry, I've got the upgraded steering wheel. As you can see, I got a gauge pod right there. In the back, I have the 10 there and another 10 right there. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see. And in the very back, I have two mids, and then I have the tweeters up front right there, and I have two extra tweeters also. Now you can see I have the nice Recaro covers, short shifter. Let me go round to the other side. Here's the motor, by the way. I'll be coming back to that in a second. But right here, as you can see, you've got your water temperature and also your boost, and up here you have your wideband, but the actual oil is not connected right now. Look around, there's the rims right there, pretty nice, pretty new actually, pretty good tires all the way around, big brake kit, stops really well. Now it's in the motor. You see, there's the GTIR motor. Nice powder coated valve cover. Got all the custom piping right here. There's the turbo down there. Very nice. You can hear the cams. They're quite loud. All very nice. At the front, you can see the one-piece headlights and the big intercooler, which is pretty big. Everything runs pretty good. Now we're going to go for a quick ride in it. By the way, if anybody wants to know, the Nismo stickers, I can take those off if you don't like them. And also the Boost, my anti-drug, I can take that off. The sunroof all works. So there's the Sparco seat again. The trunk's pretty much gutted, but I'll show you that in a bit. Overall, really nice car. Okay, let's go for a ride. Recording now? Yep. For another quick first gear this time. Okay, this is a little bit spinning, Kevin, so just stay ahead.
Got it.
Alright. There you go. You ready, guys?
Yeah, no shit.
For all of first, all of second.
Most of third.
Yeah. It was fucking spinning.
That was what, 17 pounds?
No, that's less than that. I was already at 14.
14 PSI? Jesus.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can put it up to 18, but I got the manual boost controller, so you have to go under the hood to change the boost. But for daily driving, I have it at 14, spikes to 15 every once in a while. But I think that was about 14 pounds.
Jesus. Got it.